Hi, in this video we are going to see conditional formatting. So previous session we have seen that how to format the cell, but based on the value on the cell, that particular cell, the format will be automatically changed. So say for example I have 30, okay, and if I want to change like based on the condition, right, what is the value on the cell I want to change. So say for example I want anywhere where the value is 31, it should be in the green color, and less than that, like if it is a 30 days, it should be in yellow, and anything else in the red, right? So how we can do? So manually if you want to do, so I want 31st, 30 any value 31 should be in green. So all the places I have to change it to one by one, that is the manual. Okay, then I want 30 to be in the yellow, so I can change it to the yellow, right? All 30. It will take time, and if data is bigger, it will be huge tedious task, right? And the less than 30 should be in red, right? This is the manual now. So based on the using the with the help of conditional formatting, what we can do, we can get this same result, and even sometime say for example as of now it's 31, but it got changed. Say for example it got changed, right? So if I'm changing to the 24, but still is green, it should be red, right? So with the help of conditional formatting we can overcome this this limitation as well as, and it will be very quickly, and as per like we can apply whatever the data we have along with us, right? So as of now I am going to the from home tab. We have to click on the conditional formatting and click on value between equal to, right? I'll put equal to. I want value is, if value is 31, what color I want in green color. Okay, custom I want to green, so I can change the color as green one. Okay, now if you observe I got that green color here, all for all. Now if I say for example I'm changing this one to 24, if you see it automatically got changed based on the value, because value got changed, right? So it has been changed. Now next again I'm selecting it, I am putting that highlight cell and clicking that. If it is a 30, what color I want, so I can custom format exactly. I wanted to see that yellow color, so I am clicking on yellow color. I will click on OK, and it has changed whatever the place it is, it changed to the yellow. Now less than 30, less than 30 of anything is there, so we can use less than 30, any value less than 30. What will be, I want custom color as a red, yes, this one. So if I click, if you observe it has changed. Now if I change this value as a something else, right, 31, it becomes green. If I change to 28 again, it will become, if I change this value 20 other than the 30 or 21st, it will be getting change accordingly. So I don't have to change each and every time. So that is the use, and we on the reporting purpose and wherever we have to catch like attention, right, we can easily do. So I have created one table, small table, and in that I have put like one person and total hours that person is working for the day. Okay, and this report, this is the one example. The report can be any kind of size, right? So I'm just selecting it, and I'll choose conditional formatting, click on here, and something is greater than what value we want. Okay, something is greater than 6, it should be in the green. Okay, so it got changed to the green. Anything more than 6, then highlight value if less than 5, I'm just putting that less than 5, actually less than 6, or less than, we have to put 7, actually greater than we have put there, greater than 6 we have put, the 6 has to be included. So greater than, less than 7, so it has covered. Any value less than or 6 or below, it will be in the red color, and any value above than 6, it will be as a green, right? So if even I change some value, automatically it will take based on the whatever value I am entering. So hope you understand the concept of the how, what is the conditional formatting is. Okay, and it will not do anything else on the value, it will be only depend on the that format of the cell. Okay, and here one thing is there, something we want to create a new rule, you can create, we will see that in this sometime. Clear rule. So sometime we have created rule and we wanted to clear it. So two options are there. So once a rule is applied, right, we can clear it. So clear rule from selected. So whatever cell I have selected, clear the any conditional formatting rule there, or clear entire cell. So if I click here, clear rule from selected cell, only whatever the cell I have selected, it will get clear. Okay, so it got clear here. Now if you see here, conditional formatting was there, but it did not get clear. So if I choose, what if I choose clear conditional formatting from entire sheet, what will be happen? It will get clear even whatever the conditional formatting apply on this sheet. So two options are there. So this way we can apply it. Okay, now what is the new rule? So click on new rule, and if you see, it will allow. So first we before we apply any rule, right, we have to select that range, what range we want to select. So let me select this one. Now I will apply, create a new rule, and it will ask for like format that all cell based on their value. So based on the value, contain that format only cell that contains or something is there, like, so value between, we saw, right, these are the specifics occurring, blank, blank, error, on error, something there we can do it. Okay, then format only top and bottom rank rule. Okay, format value that above and below average, format only unique duplicate value, all these will be available here each. Okay, each side, but in all in detail or something we wanted to create, based on our interest, right, we can for sure we can use it. Okay, so as of now I'm just simply created like whatever we have done previously. So format cell that contains, okay, value between let's from 7 10. Okay, 7 to 10, if any value is there, let it be green. Okay, let's apply. So any value between 7 to 8 got highlighted in yellow. Then again we can go there and manage rule. Once we create a rule, right, manage rule, it will ask which rule. So this one we have just created, we can edit that one, and we got the same. Now if I want to check like something else, like one rule is created 7 to 10, anything on green. Now again I can go ahead and add one new more rule. Okay, and click on that contains, and now value between are less than, equal to, all these are less than 6. So what value should be there? So less than 6. Okay, apply. If I click on apply, we can see that. So what I have, no, okay, I have entered the value, but I have not put any format for that, right? So I have changed the format, put as what we want in this color, let it be. Click on that, and if okay, apply. So you can see the effect. Now any new rule you want to create, we can create. For the 6 we can create as a yellow. So I am clicking that contains value equal to what, equal to 6, what value, what format we want in yellow, this color, that's fine. Click OK, OK, and apply, or is just click OK, that both are fine. So it got changed. So we got the similar, right? Now if I want to clear all these rules, we can go ahead and clear selected cell or entire cell. Okay, there's a lot of option. If we explore, you will be having some better idea, but as of now these are the, like, whatever we are seeing there, greater than, less than, between, equal to, test that contain, okay, and date occurring duplicate value. Okay, so I'll clear as of now, clear from the entire cell. Now if I highlight, I want to see if anything is duplicate in this, right? Say for example, I have employee, okay, I'm maintaining the employee database where there should not be any repeated person, right? So their employee ID should be in queue, but purposefully what I'm doing is I'm just putting here this person 2 times, right? So if that is the case, that we don't want any duplicate value, right? As soon as it get entered in this row, it should get highlighted. So for this I used to I personally use this one. So I click on the duplicate value. If any value is duplicate, it will get highlighted, right? So say for example, I have person 3 here, person 4 here, should be person 7. If I change that, it was person 7 and this one is person 11. Now if I enter person 13 again, or any 4, right, person 5, immediately I will get highlight, hey, you having this value as existing, so I can check it, right? Now greater than, we can see the duplicate, date occurring, we have seen that. Another thing is there, let me select this range and click on that top bottom. Okay, so top bottom rule, top 10 items, any top 10. So top 10 means anything is a top if, okay, so what happening is this value is in the top, what is the top order, right? People used to say. So say for example, in this, what is top 10 item? Okay, so any 10 item which is a top, it will be updated, right? So hope you have understand this one. Control Z. Then next, what is, we have top, bottom 10 percentage, bottom 10 items, right? Below average. So if I click below average, who are the below average, it will be get highlighted. Control Z, undo it. Then we have top and bottom rows has got, hope you have clear. Now data bars. So this is actually very cool, and if you click that, it will show that if someone is achieved 100, it will be full, and 7. Say for example, this person is 10, but I'm changing as 1. You just observe it got, based on the what is the value, it get the color fill happened. So this actually cool. Now again we will see in data bar we have more colors, right? So all these colors based on our need we can apply. Then we have color scales. So green, red, yellow color combination. So top will be green will be on the top, yellow will be in between, and red will be the below average. Similar way, red will be top, anyone is high will be the red, yellow and green, below will be green, white and red color. So these are the friends we can apply. Only greens, like yes, on the yellow and green, based on our need we can apply this one. This will be look very good. Now next we have bars, we have seen color scale, we have seen icons. Okay, so based on the icon up and downs, right? Even you can create your own custom icons. If you click on this, you just see based on the data we can impress people. So this one is got clear now. I'm just clearing that rule I don't want. So entire data. Now I'm clicking on icon, clicking on this, maybe this or this. Flags are there, wrong, right? All these are icons are there, we can utilize. So hope you have managed rule. If something is like we want to delete one by one, we can delete it. If some rule is created, we can delete it. And format table. So format table, it will predefined the table itself, it will be get redefined. Okay, so these are the predefined some format. We can format it manually, but like headers and columns, all the things we have to choose one by one, right? So there is a lot of list of predefined format tables are there, which we can use. Okay, another very cool function is, I don't have any format, I just let me copy this and paste as a value here. Okay, I have just pasted the value and column width as well. Hope you know now how to paste a column width. Now what I'll do is, there is a format. So these are the format style are there, we can use. So if I want this one, I can click on that and it will ask, okay, confirmation like range is selected correctly or not. And if you see, the table got beautifully formatted. So I will show you one formatted one without formatted one. And if you are going to format this one as manually, column width I want. Okay, if I'll go and format this one with the help of format table, just see how cool it will looking within a second, right? We will able to format. But if you want to do the manually, it will take some time, and that's why I wanted to show you here. Another one option is there, cell formatting. Cell formatting is, so test and format fill of the like the background color of cell will be get filled accordingly. So if you click that, it got filled here, right? Test style based on the our preference, bad, good, natural, linked, note, all these are, we can select which one we want. Okay, so hope you understand the cell style as well. Format cell for entire table. Cell style we can apply for any spell, any cell, which one we want. I click on this here. Let's see how data will get represent. Okay, so hope now you have understand these two. Next we have insert row, delete and format. Okay, to understand that one, what we can do, so say for example I want in between, I want one more column to be inserted. Okay, I missed to update some data, right? So in that I just need to select any particular cell, you can select and click on the insert, then click on insert cell. What you want to insert cell or row or column. Okay, so I want first, I will show you the cell only, just where you want to enter. I want to left, right, the cell will get inserted right after the whatever the cell I have selected. It will get inserted down below entire row and entire column. Okay, so I am clicking on the just right to show that would be okay. What is the error? Because this is own work, because you move cell in the table to your workbook. Okay, because there is a table right here, we have some table, so that's why it's not working. I will show you in this way. I'll put in the new, and it was like it is not allowing. Actually, if we insert one column, it will column, if we insert column, it will get inserted, but any modification on this, no, it is not allowing. So that is the problem. It was showing error. Rows we cannot, because this cell, if that value is somewhere else, right, which will not impact our that table, then it will be no problem. Now if in the case I want to insert one cell, so I click on this and click insert, and okay, where you want, right, if you see the cell got inserted, and the it moved to the remaining, got moved to the right side. Shortcut method is there. From the keyboard we have to enter control plus button, insert to the cell. So this time I will again enter the right. If you see that it will be same, again it will got inserted to the right. Then again press, then we have now down, we can insert down. So if you observe, one cell got inserted into. Now I am putting Control Z. Now what we will do, we can how we can insert a column and how we can insert row. So I am again putting Control plus shortcut, and this time entire row. So entire row got added, again inserting, and entire column. So if you observe, one column got inserted. So this is the way we can enter the columns and rows. Now if you want to delete it, so same Control minus, and it will ask what you want to delete. So I want to delete, first I want to delete one column. Okay, I will do opposite what we had done, so we will get the same, right. Now Control minus, and I want to, this time what I want to delete row. So hope you have understand. Control minus is shortcut, but long cut method we can go from here. So cell delete, delete row, delete column, and delete sheet itself. Workbook must contain at least one visible sheet. So that's what I was in previous session I was discussing. Workbook cannot be without sheet, right. So if I have one more sheet here available, then if I delete, click on delete, then it is asking Microsoft will delete permanently, do you want to continue. So if you delete any sheet, you cannot undo the deleting of the sheet. So that's what we was asking for confirmation. I close that. Hope you have understand the conditional formatting, table format, cell style, how to insert cell, how to insert row and column, and how to delete cell, row and columns. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.